The main goal of diabetes is to control your blood sugar level. We are going to see the important foods that help diabetes control and prevention of complications like heart disease. The first one is fatty fish. Fatty fish is one of the healthiest food on the planet. Salmon, sardines, herring, anchovies, mackerel are great source of omega-3 fatty acid. The omega-3 fatty acid types are DHA and EPA, which have a major benefits for heart health. Getting enough of these fats on a regular basis is especially important for diabetic who have an increased risk of heart disease and stroke. The DHA and EPA protect the cells that line your blood vessels, reduce markers of inflammation, and improve the way your arteries function after eating. There are numerous studies which shows the people who eat fatty fish regularly have a lower risk of heart failure and are less likely to die from heart disease. In studies, older men and women who consumed fatty fish 5 to 7 days per week for 8 weeks had significant reduction in triglycerides and inflammatory markers. Fish is also a great source of high quality protein which helps you feel full and increase your metabolic rate. The second one is leafy green. Leafy green vegetables are extremely nutritious and low in calories. They are also low in digestible carbs which raise your blood sugar level. Spinach, kale or other leafy greens are good source of several vitamins, minerals and vitamin C. In one study, increased vitamin C intake reduced the inflammatory markers and fasting blood sugar levels for people with diabetes 2 and high blood pressure. Leafy greens are good source of antioxidant, lutein and zeaxanthin. These antioxidants protect your eyes from macular degeneration and cataract, which are more common in diabetic complication. Third is cinnamon. Cinnamon is a delicious spice with potent antioxidant activity. Several studies shown cinnamon can lower blood sugar level and improve insulin sensitivity. Long-term diabetic control is typically determined by measuring HbA1c or hemoglobin A1c, which reflects average blood sugar level over the 2 to 3 months period. In study who took cinnamon for 90 days had more than a double reduction in HbA1c compared to those who received a normal care. There are recent studies which shows it lower your cholesterol level, triglyceride levels, and studies which shows have no effect on type 1 diabetes. Furthermore, they advise that cinnamon, which is getting in a normal grocery shop, we should take only 1 teaspoon per day because it contains coumarin, which is linked to health problem at higher doses, so it should be taken in a less quantity. Fourth one is egg. Eggs provide amazing health benefits. In fact, they are the best food for keeping you full for hours. Regular egg consumption may also reduce your heart disease risk in several ways. Eggs decrease the inflammation, improve insulin sensitivity, increase your good HDL cholesterol levels, and modify the size and shape of your bad LDL cholesterol. In study type 2 diabetes who consume 2 eggs daily as part of a high protein diet had improvement in cholesterol and blood sugar levels. Eggs is the best source of lutein, zeaxanthin, antioxidant that protect the eyes from the disease. Make sure you eat the whole eggs. The benefits of eggs are primarily due to nutrients found in the yolk rather than the white. Fifth is a chia seed. Chia seed are a wonderful food for people with diabetes. They are extremely high in fiber yet low in digestible carbs. 11 of the 12 grams of carbs in 28 grams or 1 ounce serving in chia seed are fiber, which doesn't raise your blood sugar. The viscous fiber in chia seed can actually lower your blood sugar level by slowing down the rate at which food moves through your gut and is absorbed. Chia seed may help you achieve a healthy weight because fiber reduce hunger, make you feel full. In addition, fiber can decrease the amount of calorie you absorb from other foods, eaten at the same meal. Chia seeds have been reduced blood pressure and inflammatory markers. Sixth is turmeric. Turmeric is a spice with powerful health benefits. It is active ingredient. Curcumin can lower inflammation and blood sugar levels while reducing heart disease risk. Curcumin appears to benefit kidney health in diabetic. This is important as diabetes is one of the leading cause of kidney diseases. Unfortunately, curcumin isn't absorbed that well on its own. Be sure to consume turmeric with piperine, that is found in black pepper, in order to boost absorption by as much as 2000 percentage. You have to consume both pepper and turmeric. Seventh is green yogurt. Green yogurt is a great dairy choice for diabetic. It's been shown to improve blood sugar control and reduce heart disease risk, perhaps partly due to probiotic it contains. Studies have found that yogurt and other dairy foods may lead to weight loss and improve body composition with type 2 diabetes. It is believed that dairy health, high calcium and conjugated linoleic acid content may play a role. Greek yogurt contains only 6 to 8 grams of carbs per serving, which is lower than conventional yogurt. It is also higher in protein, which promotes weight loss by reducing appetite and decrease calorie intake. Eighth, nuts. Nuts are delicious, nutritious. All types of nuts contain fiber and low in digestible carbs, although some have more than others. If you see the 1 ounce or 28 grams serving of nuts will have following things like almond have a 2.6 gram, Brazil nut have 1.4 gram, cashews 7.7 gram, hazelnut 2 grams, macadamia 1.5 gram, pecans 1.2 gram, pistachios 5 grams, walnut 2 grams. Research on a variety of different nuts has shown that regular consumption may reduce inflammation and blood sugar, HbA1c, and LDL level. In study, people with diabetes who included 30 grams of walnuts in their daily diet for 1 year lost weight, had improvements in body composition, and experienced a significant reduction in insulin level. This finding is important because people with type 2 diabetes often have elevated levels of insulin, which are linked to obesity. In addition, some researchers believe chronically high insulin level increase the risk of other serious disease such as cancers and Alzheimer's disease. Ninth, broccoli. Broccoli is one of the most nutritious vegetables. A half cup of cooked broccoli contains 27 calories and 3 grams of digestible carbs, along with important nutrition like vitamin C and magnesium. Studies in diabetic have found that broccoli may help lower insulin levels and protect cells from harmful free radical produced during metabolism. Broccoli is another good source of lutein and zeaxanthin. This important antioxidant help prevent eye diseases. 10th, apple cider vinegar. It is made from apple. The sugar in the fruit is fermented into acetic acid, and the result product contains less than 1 gram of carbs per tablespoon. Apple cider vinegar has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and lower fasting blood sugar level. It may also reduce blood sugar responsible by as much as 20% when consumed with meals containing carbs. In study, people with poorly controlled diabetes has 6% reduction in fasting blood sugar when they took 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar before bed. Apple cider vinegar may also slow stomach emptying and keep you feeling full. However, this can be a problem for people who have gastroparesis, a condition of delayed stomach emptying that is common in diabetic, particularly in type 1. To incorporate the apple cider vinegar into your diet, begin with 1 teaspoon mixed in a glass of water each day. Increase it to a maximum of 2 tablespoons per day. 11th, strawberries. Strawberries are one of the most nutritious fruits you can eat. They are high in antioxidant known as anthocyanin, which give them their red color. Anthocyanin have been shown to reduce cholesterol and insulin level after a meal. They also improve blood sugar and heart disease risk factors in type 2 diabetes. A 1 cup serving of strawberry contains 49 calories and 11 gram of carbs, 3 of which are fiber. The servings also provide more than 100% of RDA for vitamin C, which provide additional anti-inflammatory benefits for heart health. 12th, garlic. Garlic is a delicious herb with impressive health benefits. Several studies have shown it can reduce inflammation, blood sugar, and LDL cholesterol in people with type 2 diabetes. It may also be very effective at reducing blood pressure. In one study, people with uncontrolled high blood pressure who took aged garlic for 12 weeks averaged a 10-point decrease in blood pressure. 1 clove of raw garlic contains only 4 calories and 1 gram of carbs. These are all the 12 food items which you can use, and you can control your diabetes, and also you can prevent the complications by diabetes.